All right. This is a video of my 2011 Street Glide. Bought it new in 2011. Came with the 103 power pack on it. About 12,500 miles. I rode it up to Appleton, Wisconsin. Had fuel Moto. Put on their 107 big bore kit, along with it has the cylinders and machined heads, and it has their jackpot head pipes on it, along with their jackpot exhaust system. Screaming Eagle air cleaner on it. Has the Woods TW triple nickel 555 cams in it. So it has 19,400 some miles on it right now. So, you know, back in 12,005 the big bore kit was put on, so essentially a new engine, and it dynoed at 115 horsepower and 120 foot-pounds of torque on it. So for a heavy bike, about 740 pounds, it will get up and run. Let's crank it up for you here. I don't know how good the sound will be with this phone, but we'll give it a shot. Let's see the mileage there. Get back a little, maybe hear the sound a little better. Has some extra options on it too. It has the LED headlamp, Clockworks windscreen. It's got some custom grips, Harley grips on it, foot pegs, detachable sissy bar and luggage rack. I got some bag covers on it to protect it too. But yeah, it's had its 20,000 mile maintenance at a local Harley dealership. It has no leaks anywhere, never been down, always garage. So a nice bike. Again, I don't know how good the sound will be. We'll give you a little more revving.